You are going to see an unorthodox type of unboxing today.
Hello, this is Gary Graver from Ourworldvisualdreams. Come talk to you a little bit about my Mavic Pro Platinum that I purchased through Kazoom. Basically, this is a third party through Amazon that I decided to purchase a combo kit that I like to give you a little bit of ups on what I purchased. Here's the box. Like I said, it's really not an open box. I've had it a while. And I'm kind of a person that likes to take baby steps. I don't like to get into it, but my kids got into me a little bit about why didn't I do an open box, because I guess that's what they do on YouTube these days. So, but I guess this is what I'm going to show you a little bit about the accessories that I purchased through this combo kit. Okay, this is the Mavic Pro right now, right here. It did come with already put together all the blades and they're already on it and everything. It came with another set, so there's 8 sets of blades for this unit, and also came with a couple extra little cloth to hold these blades in here. It also came with a card reader, and it also came with an extra scan disc, which is through Samsung SD adapter for micro SD card, and plus the Mavic Pro itself came with a 16 gig scan disc. It also came with a clip, which you can see right here on the bottom, which holds the gimbal and camera in place while you're traveling, so you keep it protected. Also, it came with another cover on the front, which is standard on these, and then it has another little, I don't understand why they need that, but it helps, I guess, keep the plastic intact. It also came with a set of directions, and I chose the hardcover case. And you can see here, it has the slots where it holds the Mavic Pro in place, and it holds 3 batteries and a controller. And there's all kinds of other options that you can get. You can get with the backpack, and it comes different versions of backpacks and stuff like that. It also comes with guards for which connect from the bottom. It clips right on, and it goes right through. And you got where you can, for avoidance, is for hitting objects. It comes 4 of those. Also came with an extra cord that you can use to hooking up to your computer and download your information off your SD card. It also came with 2 extra batteries. Really, one came with it in it, and then it comes with an extra, so you got 2 batteries. Also, it comes with this little projection for extra Wi-Fi. So if you want to go farther with your drone, it gives you a little more, output. So you put it right on your controller, it slides right down your antennas and gives you extra output towards your drone, so you can go a little farther, like I said before. Also came with extra stands for landing gear, that kind of thing. It just clips on right here to the back. Real simple. You just put it on. You just kind of clip it on there. It's got 2 little clips. And then you can just slide one of these on each end. And it slides, and this one slides on this side. So it just gives you a little more height. And they just pop off. Also comes with an extra And also, like I said, there's extra cables here for your Androids. Basically, if you want to, you can connect. This opens up, and if you want to put your phone in right here, you put your iPhone or Android, and it comes with different connections for each. Then there's another unit coming out where you can connect to your controller, and you just slide and put your controller in for lightning speed. This is already set up for iPhone, and then you just disconnect this, and you can plug, like I have a stand that I put on here, and I put my iPad, and there's another connection for that, and you can connect that directly to your controller. So this little item here come with it, and this, you just stick it right on the front, and just like you do your regular one. So you figure you put it in there, and you can fly with this on, and it helps you with glare with the sun. And then you got your power source. It's got 2 extra USB slots, so you can actually take and you can charge your controller, you can charge your phone, and then you got your adapter over here, and this is for your battery. And basically it just hooks into there for your power source, and then you just hook your battery on the end of this, and it can go either way. See how that look, you know. And you can buy other accessories with this. You can buy a 3 or 4 port, so you can charge all your batteries together. And this is my combo kit through Amazon. And I also showed you this, and then it's basically all. And also, for some reason, which I'm glad they did, they sent me an extra backpack. So, and I can use this. It's got extra little space you can unzip, and then you can put something in there, like all your batteries can go in there. And I do have a couple more items coming where they're not kind of like hardcovers, but it will hold the drone itself. You can see how it actually folds right up to nothing. That's what I like about it. And a lot of people talk about that. I read comments of other drone owners and from the drone community saying, you know, they have it in their comment box. So I read them and see what people say about things, and so you can see even with the extra landing gear, it's still, you know, still folds right up nicely. And you can see it's out. This unit's got sensors on the front and back for avoidance, and it's got point of sensor on the bottom, and a couple, you know, you can see them a little bit. So this, and it's got light package all the way around. You can see 2 lights here, and then on the front you got 2 lights too. And so basically you can see your drone up in the sky. So the reason why I got the Mavic Pro, I'm an amateur. I've read a lot of things up on different, you know, forums saying as an amateur you should go to a lower level drone, practice first, you know. But if you're not real crazy and stupid flying your drone, you know, basically, I'm trying to take these off, but basically, if you're careful, you read the FAA rules and stuff like that, and take your time. That's what I basically did before I even flew my drone. I got my registration, my $5 registration through FAA, and then I took my time, read and watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to be a beginner, and then I went out and flew a few times at a local park. So basically, take your time, learn how to do it. I mean, yes, you can go get a DJI Spark, you can get, you know, all the small, or even pay a $50 one or so on, but through this controller here, there's so many safety features, and I'll go through that, and I'll do a review down the road and talk to you a little bit about the different things that you can use with this, and the different flight modes and stuff like that. And as I learn, because I mean, I've already flown, like I said, this is not really an open box. because basically, like I said, this is the Mavic Pro Platinum, and like I said, if you'd like any more information or anything else, please look in the description. I'll have some links to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing. And I've read a couple comments to the guy, this is a rich man game, you know, this is the only way people can't afford this type of stuff. Really, you can. With the Amazon store card, you can get it 2-year, 24-month interest free, and you just figure what you want. You don't have to get the combo kit, but I thought personally, like I said, you can get a backpack instead of the hard case and all sorts of things. I mean, like I said, this is a pretty good starter kit. You know, like the directions right here, and you can go right online and get your directions too. And I mean, like, such a compact little thing, and I've flown it out to a lighthouse already, and it takes some beautiful pictures. You just have to learn your camera and your gimbal and all that stuff. Like I said, just take baby steps. Just check things out. And like I said, some people don't even like the starter kit. They just get the drone, they get the batteries, they get the controller, and vice versa. And then make sure I got insurance on it too. So please look at that too. You get insurances for the gimbal, the camera, with your insurance through Amazon. You can also get DJI insurance, where if you crash it, you pay a deductible, and you get 2 tries in the first year. So there's a lot of options. Like I said, to me, the reason I went this route, because I figured, why not? You can pay $50-$60 a month for 2 years, and like I said, if you take care of it, like I said, this is all accessories, and I'm still purchasing more accessories for this product. And if you like what I'm showing, and when I start showing my area views and stuff, would you please subscribe in the right hand corner, bottom corner, and then hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more of my videos. Like I said, this is really a travel channel. Eventually we will be getting going, and we'll be traveling every day, but right now we're not at that point yet. But I'm still gonna show you, and I also like to watch you, or try to view some of my videos on the journey of getting better on using my Mavic Pro, especially my area views. So I guess that's it. If you got any more questions, please comment below. If you got any ideas or anything else that I can improve on my videos, please comment below. I would like to hear from you, and I hope you got a little information out of this. Like, also, real quickly, this is a Sabrant product. Like I said, it's a card reader. It comes in, it's compact, and you can slide your card reader right into there. Like I said, there's a lot of neat little features here, and just and I'll do some more reviews on this, stuff like that as I fly more. So